Python, a while loop condition does not have to be a formal Boolean expression. It can be any object or expression. For example, here we are using while loop. So this is the initializer, while, keyword and condition. Then this is while loop body. Here we can see updater also, right? Here, this condition will return us true or false. When x is less than 5, it will return true. When x is greater than 5 or equal to 5, it will return false, right? Instead of using this expression, we can use any object as condition in while loop. For example, here we can just use x. Then here we need to use break statement, otherwise it will lead to an infinite loop. Then if I save this and execute this now, here we'll get only done message because here x is 0. 0 is evaluated as false here. That's why it won't execute this loop body. If I take another value, for example x equal to 10, and if I execute this now, it will print 10 and done message. So here x is 10. Python will internally evaluate it as true. So it will print that and then it will execute break statement. So it will come out of the loop. If I didn't use break statement, so we'll get an infinite loop. So here use break, or here we can take x as a list. Then we can use that as our condition. So it is evaluated as false. So we'll get only done message. But if list contains some elements like this, then it is evaluated as true. So it will print that. Now what is happening here? When we'll give any object as a condition here or any expression, Python will internally evaluate it as true or false based on its truthy or falsy value. Anything empty or 0 is treated as falsy values. Any non-zero numbers, non-empty collections like list, string or dictionary that has at least one item are evaluated as true, truthy values. In Python, a while loop condition can be any expression that evaluates to a Boolean value, true or false, just like the condition in an if statement. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.